baby cow. C-A-L-F, say it now. Calf, calf, baby cow. Hello on the farm. Foal, foal, baby horse. F-O-A-L, of course. Foal, foal, baby horse. Hello on the farm. Lamb, lamb, baby sheep. L-A-M-B, we repeat. Lamb, lamb, baby sheep. Hello on the farm. Kid, kid, baby goat. K-I-D, learn by rote. Kid, kid, baby goat. Hello on the farm. Baby animals say hello. Hello, hello, hello. Baby animals say hello. Let's learn their names today. Piglet, piglet, tiny one. P-I-G-L-E-T, so fun. Piglet, piglet, tiny one. Hello on the farm. Puppy, puppy, wag your tail. P-U-P-P-Y, no fail. Puppy, puppy, wag your tail. Hello on the farm. Kitten, kitten, soft and sweet. K-I-T-T-E-N, repeat. Kitten, kitten, soft and sweet. Hello on the farm. Duckling, duckling, little line. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G, look. Duckling, duckling, little line. Hello on the farm. Baby animals say hello. Hello, hello, hello. Baby animals say hello. Let's learn their names today. Chick, chick, tiny yellow. C-H-I-C-K, good job, fellow. Chick, chick, tiny yellow. Hello on the farm. Poult, poult, baby turkey. P-O-U-L-T, nice and perky. Poult, poult, baby turkey. Hello on the farm. Gosling, gosling, small and bright. G-O-S-L-I-N-G, just right. Gosling, small and bright. Hello on the farm. Kit, kit, baby bunny. K-I-T, simple and funny. Kit, kit, baby bunny. Hello on the farm.